I am currently getting ready. We're gonna go out for breakfast. Maybe not breakfast, probably lunch because we woke up a bit too late. Can I put you? It is, I don't even know what day it is. All I know is it's the 9th of January. Everyone left the room because we woke up late and they're trying to get food before it closes. And here I am getting ready. I'm just like in the mood to just not be in a rush today. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I think we're finally out of the Mississippi River and going into the Caribbean Sea. Just finished doing my makeup, but what is going on with my hair? This was straight yesterday. Now she's like a mix of wavy and frizzy, and I gotta pick an outfit. I also don't think I showed this on camera yet, but they put our beds down, so that's where Nick's staying. I'm sleeping up here. I fucking hit my head this morning up there when I woke up, and then we've got the 2 bunks down there. This is the final outfit for the day. I put on this white H&M flannel. This is just literally a bathing suit top. It's a TNA swim top. And then I've got my airy pants on with the little slit on the side. And my bikini bottoms. Just gonna go look for Alex and Nick. I think they're at the buffet. Breakfast. We just had breakfast. There's a big mirror here. I'm gonna go back to the room to go take a shit. And then we'll see what we'll do from there. Say that again.
早上开心我有冰淇淋，现在我有冰淇淋。1、2、3，下个礼拜一哦，苏州静静州，下个礼拜一哦。
I don't even know how to say that in Chinese. He's not Chinese. He is Spanish.
Only the real men know what I'm talking about. 冰淇淋。
All right, we just went back to the room. And now we are going tanning. Right? Outside? Yeah. Tanning. Nick's going to go play blackjack.
At the tournament.
At the tourney.
Yeah, baby. Years of playing. Let's hope I make a little bit of money.
Oh, that's me. We've got more tanning spots. It's so sunny. I can't see shit. There's this thing right there. We're just chilling.
Anybody having mango meltdown, guys? Nobody. Come sit. Come to Papa. Sit. Yes. Why don't you, man?
We got. Oh, you're okay? Hello. We got our drinks. I guess we're done. Still doesn't have hers yet, but we're at the bar. Cheers.
Please be aware of what you are about to see. Viewer discretion is advised.
Going up. Just gonna go fix my Wi-Fi. Just a quick little outfit fit check. Currently eating by myself. Try to fix the Wi-Fi and it still doesn't fucking work. Guys, I found fucking green tea ice cream and then I got some fat people food. Mac and cheese and pasta. Just at the casino right now. I've never been before, so first time casino experience. I've got $5 to bet. I'm not betting anything more than that. I've decided on this one. 8-8 because it's got my language on it. 8 credits. Well, that was enough of the casino for me. That was not fun. Back in the room. I haven't taken photos yet, so I think I'm gonna go get my tripod. I've decided I need to throw my contacts on because if I will be taking my own photos, it's gonna be like fucking impossible to see shit. Fuck, I'm making a mess. I need to stop swearing so much. Gosh. I managed to pack a little bag, so I chose this bag. My mom gave it to me for Christmas. It says, choose kindness, because you can never be kind enough. Actually, that's a lie. Sometimes you can be kind enough and then get taken advantage of. So maybe just watch who you're being kind around. I may or may not take photos, but what I do know for sure is I'm going to the waterfront.
Here is a random clip of me and Alex walking down the cruise ship, spinning around for no frickin' reason, doing God knows what. Here's me almost hitting my head. Oh no. Ow. Haha, that's actually so funny. I might as well just throw myself off the boat. I mean, the ship. Haha. We're just at the back of the ship right now. I don't know why, but Nick made himself cry. What are you up to, buddy? No. There's fucking water on here. That's so sick. We're at the very back of the ship and you can see into the abyss of darkness. Hello, darkness, my old friend. And I guess I forgot to film an intro again, so that's all for today at sea. Tomorrow we're gonna be in Mexico, but thanks for sticking around, watching me be weird. Goodbye.